My Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything I want. Ooh, it's such a hot day, Morphle. We should have an ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. Huh? What's that?
That's my new magic pet. He loves the cold.
That's not a magic pet, Daddy. It's a penguin.
What? Ah, so that's why it didn't seem to have any magic powers.
We should bring it back to the South Pole. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
I can't believe I thought that poor penguin was a magic pet. Thank you for helping, Mila and Morphle. I already found a new magic pet for the Magic Pet Store. This time, I'm sure I got it right.